Hey, you see this girl? Yeah, that's my sister. She looks awfully sick, right? She has the common cold. Out of all things to kick off the apocalypse, the common cold got us. How, you ask? Well, come to find out, Kim Jong-un decided it would be a good idea to merge the rhinovirus and influenza together to create a brand new, more powerful virus. Despite his plans for weaponizing this thing for purposes of taking over the world, containment was broken, and it found its way into the general populace prematurely, where it proceeded to spread across the entire globe. Now, you may be asking, what the heck is influenza and the rhinovirus anyway? And why is this such a big deal? Well, influenza, or the flu, is a fairly common viral infection that you've probably heard of. And while there is a vaccine for the flu, if left untreated, it can potentially kill you. Symptoms of this affliction include fatigue, fever, severe muscle aches, headaches, and sinus congestion. By itself, you can fight off this infection with the aid of antihistamines, decongestants, and NSAIDs such as ibuprofen. However, Kim Jong-un decided to merge this virus with another virus, the rhinovirus. The rhinovirus is what we call the common cold. Sounds benign, huh? Well, mixed with the influenza virus, it's pretty potent. But as I was saying, the rhinovirus carries these symptoms: a runny and/or stuffy nose, slight aches and pains, sneezing, chest discomfort, sore throat, and moderate fatigue. Now, that's all fine and dandy, but the common cold is incurable. There's no vaccine, no medication, nothing. That's right, no matter what you do, you cannot will this thing away. So, in truth, Kim Jong-un was pretty smart. These two viruses merged together created an incurable, nasty, gross super virus, where you not only snot all over the place, infecting everyone in sight, but you want nothing more than to curl up in a little ball and cry yourself to sleep because of the pain coursing through your body. Oh, and if that isn't enough, eventually you start to sneeze your brains right out your skull. That's right, you will become the zombies of legend. So, how do we stop this thing? By taking these simple steps. You can not only save your brains, but also lower your risk of infecting everyone you love. First and foremost, get your flu shot. Even if it's not perfect, every little bit of protection counts. Avoid contact with anyone who's infected. Disinfect your hands regularly. And finally, if you suspect you've come down with this virus, cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. This can save lives. Do these things and remember, only you can prevent the zombie apocalypse.
Brought to you by Team Rhino, sponsored by the Save the Brains Foundation for a Better Future.